Hello, welcome to my channel Gosia at Home Cooking. Today I will make Polish pate, pasztet, made of pork and chicken. Pasztet is very popular sandwich topping in Poland and I hope you like it. I have about 4 pounds chicken and 9 pounds of pork shoulder. Chicken and pork will boil till it is nice and tender. I just put to my meat 10 dry wild porcini mushroom, 4 bay leaves, whole black pepper, about 10, whole allspice, about 5, 1 onion, a medium size, 4 carrots and 3 celeries. Just put on side, cover, cook on medium for about 2 hours. I just removed the meat because it's pretty soft. And I have to wait to cool down. The water is still hot. I have 1 pound of chicken liver, so I'll pour this to hot water just for a few minutes, 5 minutes, and chicken liver will be done and I can remove from the pot. Chicken liver is a great addition for my recipe. Any liver is good for the pasztet. Now I'm removing everything from the pot. Now I have to wait for everything cool down. I have French bread and I will soak this in chicken pork broth to absorb as much broth as we can. And there will be extra addition to my pasztet. Będzie bardzo dobry pasztecik. Before the grinding I have to cut everything in small pieces to be much easier to grind. I have heavy duty meat grinder. I will grind everything, carrot, vegetables. Usually I grind the meat 3 times. Now I will grind the soaked bread and I will add all this mixture to my meat. This is 4th time grind the meat. It still is not combine everything together. It's not one combined. Grinding meat 2nd time. Looks like it's combined pretty nice and I will do 1 more time. Now it's the 3rd time I grind the meat and it's nice and like a bar. It's done. It's beautiful. It will be beautiful pasztet. Ingredients for my pasztet, Polish pate. 5 egg yolks. I have 1 cup chopped pepper, 3 different colors, orange, red and yellow. 4 cloves of garlic. It's a very nice recipe for special occasion or any time of the year. Black pepper. It's about 1 teaspoon. Marjoram. 2 tablespoons. Paprika, Spanish style, 2 tablespoons. A little bit garlic powder. Ground nutmeg. 1 teaspoon right now. Later on I will taste. If I need more, I'll put more. A little bit ginger, red pepper flakes. Something spicy and salt because I didn't put any salt. Now I have to mix everything to combine all ingredients together. It's my favorite recipe for pasztet. Lots of colors and excellent taste. I make this pasztet quite often. Everybody loves this pasztet. You can eat this pasztet, just make slices and eat with a piece of bread. A nice sandwich. The last part I will add egg white. mix everything and pasztet is ready to bake. All ingredients are combined beautiful. Next part I will put in pasztet container and bake in oven. Next step, I have these little containers. I use butter to give extra taste for my pasztet, and breadcrumbs. Gently just put the breadcrumbs all over the baking pan, like this. And now I will put my pâté gently. And just press. And it's like the ingredients, they combine beautiful. Absolutely delicious pasztet. Something different. Looks nice. And it's ready to bake. 350 degrees till actually the top is nice and gold, and I know it's ready. It will be about 50 minutes. Let's go finish the rest of my pasztet. From this amount of meat I make 6 pasztets, pâté. Never is too much because usually I put in a freezer and we can eat later on and enjoy this pasztet. Now let's go put this in the oven for 15 minutes. The pasztet is almost ready. I will keep it for maybe 10 more minutes. Pasztet is done. Go try. Stick is nice and dry. That means the pasztet is ready. I keep the pasztet in the fridge for a couple hours to cool down. Now it's ready to eat. This is my proposition. For pasztet I served on a piece of bread, homemade piece of bread, and homemade pickles. And let me try this a little bit. Excellent. You can see paprika, a little bit carrot and lots of herbs. Great taste and wow, excellent. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and make sure to subscribe to my channel to be the first to see the recipe, and please let me know what you think about my recipes. I appreciate any comments about my recipes. Thank you so much. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego.